So recently I posted a video about the difference between scripted talks and beer talks, right? Talks that you do the same way every time, like an actor, versus talks that you do sort of improvisationally as if you were having a beer with a friend. And somebody wrote in and asked me, well, that's great, but how do you practice those? And it depends on the kind of talk. If you're doing a scripted talk, you do the same thing actors would do. Get in front of a mirror, deliver it over and over and over and over and over again. First on book, right, with your lines in front of you, and then off book as you start to memorize it. And then eventually you'll add in an audience so that you can get some reactions and they can help you understand pacing and whether you're stumbling over words, etc. For a beer talk, I recommend going for a beer. Like, you need to get practiced at literally just talking to people all along the spectrum. So start with close friends, start with people who know you well, who are going to be very forgiving, and you want to eventually get to the place where you could talk to somebody on a plane in the seat next to you about it. So somebody you have no prior context to, you could keep them engaged, interested by talking about this topic. So for a scripted talk, you start on book and you're going to move towards off book, right? Process of memorization. For a beer talk, an unscripted talk, you're going to move from close friends who are going to like you anyway, and to strangers who you have to keep engaged as you're talking.